Hey guys, Dominic here with Capital Chimney. We got another customer of ours that was experiencing an issue with odor in the house from the fireplace. This is a fairly common problem. There can be a number of reasons that cause this issue, but one of the things that we can do to try and solve this problem is put up a more efficient damper system. A lot of times what it is air movement going down through the chimney, getting pulled into the house, mixing with the creosote odor from inside the fireplace, and then bringing that odor into the home. So by putting up a energy top damper, a damper that goes at the top of the chimney, we can stop that air movement from coming down and bringing any odor back into the house. Excuse me, we're actually going to do what's called a double closure here. So we're going to leave the existing throat damper as well as put up a new energy top damper at the top of the chimney. So we're going to go up there. I'm going to show you what's going on with this particular fireplace chimney system and show you what it takes to install a energy top damper. All right, we'll be back. All right, so what we have here is a typical masonry fireplace. This particular chimney has two flues going through it. One is for the fireplace, the square pipe here. The other round pipe here is for heating appliances, furnace, water heater, that sort of thing. So this exterior masonry structure has a few issues that we've made the customer aware of. One of them is the cement slab at the top. So two things going on here is, one, you can see a decent sized crack running through the structure, carrying down into the brick underneath it. Moving over here to the right, you can see how these bricks have basically shattered and cracked, which left unchecked will cause further damage and deterioration to the remaining chimney structure. The other thing that's an issue with this particular chimney is this crown. So not only is it cracked, but it doesn't stick out past the brick. Most typical chimney crowns will overhang or stick out past the brick. That way when it rains, water drains away from the chimney. So seeing as it's the middle of winter here in the Chicagoland area, this is something that'll have to wait till the spring or summer, but it's definitely something you want to get addressed before the problem gets worse. The more brick and mortar damage you have, the more money it costs to fix. So something you want to take care of soon. So if you're looking at your chimney and you see some cracked or damaged brick, give us a call. Capital Chimney, 630-670-6535. All right, guys, we just finished the installation of the energy top damper system. You can see it here. This is the high efficiency top mounted damper, brand name Energy Top. Right now the damper's in its closed position, so this lid collapses, is held down by a handle and bracket inside the firebox, and it remains airtight. No animals can get in here, no rain, no insects, and most importantly for this particular customer, no air movement. So it'll keep your home's heat and air conditioning inside the house better than a typical throat damper would. As well as prevent any air movement coming down the chimney to bring any odors inside the house. The last thing this customer will need to do is just have us back out in the spring or summer to address some of the exterior repairs. Next, I'm going to show you what it looks like inside the house and how this system operates. We'll be right back. All right, so we're back inside here. Right now we're looking at the control mechanism for the top mounted damper system. Here was the existing damper. So this is, common masonry throat damper. Now what we've done here is what's called a double closure. So we've left the existing damper in place and drilled a hole and ran the cable for the top mounted damper system through the frame of the existing damper. And this is just extra protection, redundancy against odor, air movement, etc. So how this system works is, the first damper, when you go to open it, is this one here. Slide it over, release it, it raises up automatically. Next you want to open the original damper. Push open, now you're free to use the fireplace. Once everything has gone out, not using the fireplace anymore, you're going to reverse operation. Close the original damper first, move over to the top mounted damper system, pull it down, slide it over. And this will offer you the best protection against air movement, odor coming back into the house. All right, thanks.